Hunan Llano Electronic Technology Company Limited was founded by a group of professionals who have been engaged in automotive alternative energy products since 2002. It is located in Changsha, China. Our products cover a diversity of various models of LPG, CNG conversion kits, ECUs, LPG, CNG reducers, injection rails, timing advanced processors, emulators, change-over switches, EV portable chargers and so on. After years of cultivation in the automotive alternative energy industry, our company, as a manufacturer, not only has stable production capacity and quality assurance, but also has independent R&D capabilities. Hunan Llano Electronic Technology Company Limited is committed to contributing to people's energy-saving travel and environmental protection through continuous technology R&D and product design. At the same time, with only win-win cooperation is sustainable, we are also willing to serve as OEM and ODM to support the development of our customers.